Hey guys, I am that Death Gamer 397, and I'm outside. As you can tell, and if you couldn't tell, we got a bunch of crap. That's the dog. Hi, Caitlin. Don't worry, she's not gonna chase me. She's enjoying her time in this. Well, I don't think anyone would enjoy their time in this crap. The roads were bad. We got let's see. About this much snow, right where my thumb is against the finger. So the finger right here, that's where my pointer finger, that's how much snow we got. If it was cut off, about this much. But yeah, we got a bunch of crap. Rain, snow, sleet. What a mess. And you can probably tell what the hell's bills. It just fell off. Yeah, some of my things just fell off. But as you can tell, just take a look at the snow here. Yeah, look at that good snow. Good. Solid. That was ice. Look at the dog playing in the snow. It says she's just walking right now. I think she's about to do her business. You guys don't want to see that. Anyways, it's like, I don't know, it feels like 25 outside, but probably a little warmer outside. The weather thing said 35, but I don't buy it because of the wind. There's a slight wind chill coming from that direction. So it makes it feel colder. You should have been here when we had that minus 32 degree weather. Holy shit. Wind speeds were at 30 miles an hour and it was like 0 degrees. So the wind speed was making it feel like minus 30. And I gotta say, I do not want to do that shit again. Y'all set, puppy? Come on, pup. Look at that. I have more plans for vlogs in the future. Oh, I haven't been outside in a few hours. I was up earlier. Came outside to plow my grandparents' driveway real quick. You can see, well, you can't because the road wasn't solid enough to freaking plow. Or the driveway wasn't soft enough to plow. As you can clearly tell by this shit. You see this? Well, some went behind me, some went right down there. I'm trying to get this thing to stand up. Look at that thing. This is what the combination of rain, sleet, and snow will do overnight. It'll feel like you're walking on ice. Just don't try to ice skate on it. The skates will go right through. Oh, mommy, I'm tired. I got something in my eye too. But anyway, I think I'm all out of time for this vlog. I'm going to leave it at that. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this interesting vlog about the crappy weather we had today. Last night into today. Look at this. Even the tree is stuck in there. You see that? The tree is stuck. All right. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Ooh, I hope you guys are staying warm. Because it's freaking cold out right now. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. That Death Gamer signing off.